Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will install the brand new screen protector on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you guys can see, here are some cracks on the old protector. Here is one crack and here is the other. You guys can barely see on the camera, but yes, here it is. And also there are some minor scratches as well. I am not sure that you guys are able to see or not, but there are some scratches on the screen, and there are many scratches because this screen protector is more than 2 years old now, and I am gonna be changing it. Guys, I've powered off my phone and I've also removed the case so that it will be easier for me to install the screen protector on this device. Now let's remove the old screen protector. I will remove it now and it will be removed from my nail or something. As you guys can see, I have successfully removed the previous screen protector. Now we will put this on the side and bring the new protector. Here it is. Now we will install this protector. I ordered this from Daraz and it costed me around 625 PKR, which is pretty reasonable price. Also, it's a bezel-less screen protector and tempered as well, which I really like, and dust-proof glass, which means that there won't be any dust gathered up when I use the screen. It's also pretty slippery and I'm sure that it's a pretty great quality. You guys can also order it on Daraz. Guys, we'll now clean the screen because it's necessary to make sure that no dust particles are left, just like I did on my Nintendo Switch 2 video while I was installing the screen protector. So here's the cloth and I'm removing the dust. You can see that there is a lot of dust accumulated after all these years. I've been using this phone for more than 2 years, so it's pretty old as well, but I really like this phone and I can use it for more 2 years again, and I really like it. You can see that there is dust in the upper speaker, but that's not a problem. Here are some scratches, I think, on this side. They are not being removed. Yep, they are being removed. Guys, I have successfully managed to clean my screen, and now I'm gonna be installing the screen protector on my screen. You guys can see that the screen is pretty clean now. Now let's open the protector. Here guys, I am opening the protector. Slowly make sure that I don't break it. Guys, here is the protector and I'm gonna be installing it on my phone now. Let's install it. Always make sure that it's perfectly aligned. I'm gonna be seeing it carefully and putting it now. Guys, I've installed it. Guys, here are some bubbles, but they will hopefully disappear after some time. I will press the screen and they will be disappeared hopefully. Here is a bubble as well. There are some bubbles at the side as well, but I am pressing it and they are going away. Yeah. And these minor bubbles will disappear after some time. It takes some time for the liquid to penetrate and fill all the gaps perfectly. It's not a thing to worry about. Here is a bubble as well. Guys, look at this, it's so perfectly aligned. So the screen protector is perfectly aligned, and I am really happy that my screen protector is successfully installed, and I think that it's perfectly aligned. Now I will power on the phone and you guys can see the quality. Guys, you can see the quality of the display, it looks really great, and the protector is also an edge-to-edge display, meaning that there aren't any bezels on my protector, which means that the screen feels bigger than it was previously. Guys, you guys can clearly see that the display looks pretty awesome. The protector is really great. There are also pretty less bezels. The protector doesn't have any bezels at all, which is very great, because previously I was having some problem. The display was feeling a little bit smaller, but now the display feels pretty big. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My goal is to get 500 subscribers at the end of next month, September. So please do make sure to subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting some new videos as well related to tech, gaming. So please do make sure to subscribe to my channel.